1934 Ford Cabriolet in Ponca City, Oklahoma. Vehicle description. Built by Classsic Motor Carriages. Has 350 Chevy motor. It is a 1991 kit car with a Mustang 2 rear end. 4-core radiator with a banana blade electric fan. Turbo 350 transmission, 3/8 gears. Rebuilt engine, new rings and bearings, the block and bore was good. 350 HP cam. Block hugger headers. New Dart Performer steel head. Never gets hot. Edelbrock Performer intake manifold. 650 Holly with electric choke. Kragar wheels and BF Goodrich tires. Front of car HAS14S and back of car and trailer have 15s. Car comes with two new 14-inch front tires that have never been mounted. Packard tail lights. 16-gallon fuel tank. Great gas mileage for a V8. CB included. Not too many miles since top was replaced.